Hello, you little fifth graders. We will now talk about something that you should already know how to do, and that is simplifying fractions. Simplest form. A fraction is in simplest form when 1 is the only common factor of the numerator and the denominator. Here are the steps to writing a fraction in simplest form. Write the fraction 8/12 in simplest form. Number 1. Find the common factors of the numerator and denominator. Remember, factors are the numbers that are being multiplied. So you've got to determine the factors of both 8 and 12. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Now that is because 1 times 8 is 8 and 2 times 4 is 8. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. That is because 1 times 12 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12, and 3 times 4 is 12. So the common factors of 8 and 12, that means the factors that they both have together are 1, 2, and 4. Step number 2, find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. The greatest common factor of the common factors 1, 2, and 4, of course, is 4. 4 is the largest number, so 4 is the greatest common factor. Step number 3, divide the numerator and the denominator by the greatest common factor. So you take 8 and 12 and divide them by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, so 2 is the new numerator. 12 divided by 4 is 3, therefore 3 is the greatest, 3 is the new denominator. Important to remember, if you do not use the greatest common factor, you will have to simplify again. Let's say I didn't use 4. Let's say I used 2 instead. Well, 2 would not, if I divided the numerator and denominator by 2, it would not have given me the simplest form. So I would have to simplify that new fraction. Also, ask yourself the question, is this fraction in simplest form when you are finished? 8/12 in simplest form is 2/3. If you find the factors of 2 and 3, you will discover that the greatest common factor of 2 and 3 is 1. Whenever the greatest common factor is 1, you know, in fact, you have the simplest form. You don't have to try these now. We'll be trying these or doing these in the next video. Last but not least, have a nice day. And I am very smart.